Hello guys, this is Dr. Palaniappan Manikam. With all the corona news around, I would like to point out Sourav Ganguly's heart attack recently. He's my favorite cricket player. I'm so glad that he's doing okay, but there is a hidden truth behind his heart attack. Let's dive deep into it. So our favorite Dada, Sourav Ganguly, Tamil Dada illa, Bengali Dada, was working out in a gym and he suddenly passed out. So when they took him to the hospital, they found out that the blood vessels in the heart, there were 3 blood vessels. All the blood vessels were blocked and one of them were completely blocked 100%. So he had to put a stent inside the heart to bring the blood supply back to the heart. And I'm so glad that he's doing okay, but there is an important lesson to be learned why this happened and what can be done. So I read a WhatsApp forward. It says, Sourav Ganguly doesn't drink alcohol, doesn't smoke cigarettes, and he's an athlete. If heart attack comes to him, heart attack can come to anybody. So enjoy life, drink alcohol. Welcome 2021. Happy New Year. பூமாதேவி வாயை பொழக்க போறா, எல்லாரும் உள்ள போறீங்க அப்படின்ட்டு. ஏண்டா உனக்கு தண்ணி அடிக்கிறோம்னா நீ போய் அடி. எதுக்கு தேவையில்லாத இந்த டயலாகலாம்? One of my friends said, Sourav Ganguly had family history of heart disease. His father or grandfather had heart disease and that's why he had heart attack. Heart disease runs in my family as well. The problem is nobody runs in your family. So another WhatsApp forward says, Sourav Ganguly has a lot of stress as a BCCI president and he doesn't drink alcohol as well. That's why whenever I am stressed out, I drink 2 cans of beer, all my stress will go away. You yourself will go away, da. See, I understand that stress and family history of heart disease definitely plays a role. But more importantly, especially for Indian people, belly fat is the most important risk factor. I would like to compare the pictures of Sourav Ganguly before retirement and after retirement. So everybody remembers the classic picture of Sourav Ganguly removing his shirt after the historic win against England in Lord's, I think it's around 2001. So in this picture, he almost had a 6-pack abdomen and he has a very flat belly. But look at this picture now. He definitely has a little bit of more belly fat compared to what he had before. He does not look very obese. The point I'm trying to make is Indian patients, even though they don't look obese, the most important factor is belly fat. If the belly fat is significant, they are considered to be obese. So why are we more worried about this belly fat? Because belly fat increases the risk of heart attack, diabetes, blood pressure and all major complications. And if the patient had a heart attack already, if they don't do anything about the belly fat, they are at increased risk of a second heart attack. So only in India, most of us are very proud of the belly fat. Even my mom would be like, ஏண்டா முன்னால நல்லா கொலு கொலுன்னு தொப்பையெல்லாம் வச்சுக்கிட்டு நல்லா செட்டியா மாதிரி இருப்ப, இப்போ வத்தி போயிட்டியடான்னு. So I always wonder about the Balle Lakka song in Shivaji movie. So you guys painted the Thalaivar's face in belly, right? When you were removing it, did you ask them to reduce the belly fat? Balle Lakka, heart attack, blood pressure, diabetes. So people who are saying there is nothing wrong with Sourav Ganguly is definitely wrong. The point I'm trying to make is even though Sourav Ganguly doesn't look very obese, the belly fat has to play some kind of role. So if we have belly fat, we can use this as a wake-up call and we can modify our lifestyle so that we don't end up getting a heart attack. So belly fat is like a leaking pipe. So you take Gabasura Kudini, you take vitamin C, you take vitamin D, you take all these kind of supplements. It will not help you as long as you have belly fat because it will just leak out of it. So this is extremely important during COVID-19 times as well because people who have belly fat are 2 times more likely to be either hospitalized or have death as a complication compared to a patient with no belly fat. See, Sourav Ganguly advertised for this heart healthy oil called Fortune oil. That oil might contain healthy fats like polyunsaturated fatty acids. But the point is the amount of oil. Sometimes I'm very scared to eat anything because when you go to a potluck or something, if you look at a brinjal masala, you don't know whether brinjal is in the oil or oil is in the brinjal. Oil sapta, oil kudu appdi nanichittu irukanga nenikiren. So we Indian people have a manufacturing defect to start with. The defect is the blood vessels in the heart are very, very small compared to the other ethnicity. Because we are very gentle-hearted people. நம்ம இதை கேட்டு வேலை செய்ய மாட்டோம், இதை கேட்டு வேலை செய்வோம். So let me just summarize by saying that having belly fat is similar to a ticking time bomb. விஜயகாந்த் படத்தில் பாகிஸ்தான் தீவிரவாதி குண்டு வச்ச மாதிரி விஜயகாந்த் வந்து எடுக்க மாட்டார், நீங்கள் தான் எடுக்கணும். So how do you know that you have belly fat? Stand up, look down. If you cannot see your toes, congratulations, you have passed the test, you have belly fat. After lockdown, many people cannot look down. So if you can look your toes when you look down, the next step is to take an inch tape and then measure around your belly button. So just an inch above your belly button, and this is called the waist circumference. Okay, the second number that you need to know is to measure your hip circumference, and that is around your hips where you put your pants on. So using these two numbers, we're going to calculate a ratio called waist to hip circumference ratio, and I will put down the formula for that in the description link. If the ratio is less than 1 or even less than 0.9, you are too good, you don't have to worry about it. But if it is more than 1, it's time to reduce the belly fat. So I've explained this in a video before, explaining the association between belly fat and COVID-19 related complications. I will put that video link in the description. The only technical thing I'm very good at these days is putting the link in the description. So this topic is near and dear to me because I lost a very good friend of mine who is only 42 years old, who died of sudden cardiac death. And I strongly believe that belly fat has to play a role in that. So I urge you to take this seriously, and then please write down the waist to hip ratio of what value that you get based on the formula that we discussed, and put that in the comment section. If you don't want to reveal your name, just write as, oh, my friend's waist to hip ratio is this. At least I know about the severity of the disease, and we can work closely together in future videos to see how to decrease the belly fat. So my waist to hip ratio was 1.2 before. I reduced it to 0.96, and I still want to go to less than 0.9. First தான் கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும், அப்புறம் போக போக அதுவே பழகிரும். So we are all a community together, so please write down the waist to hip ratio in the comment section, and I will let you know the target to achieve. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye-bye.